Hi and welcome to the Tiler's Tools video channel. Today I'm here with Dave from Custom Tile and Stone, and come to look at this patio that Dave's laid. It's all around the house and it's a lovely job. Well, deserves credit, Dave.
Cheers, boss.
You've laid this on the FUGA-PAVE A and B system, which is the mortar and the primer, and we're going to grout this today with the FUGA-PAVE Part C, which is the Flex CH Grout. So now you've used the actual installation system, what would the benefits be in your mind?
Well, this is what we've used this on quite a few projects now. It is a great product all round, you know, perfectly suited to any outdoor tiling project. It's so strong, doesn't sag with a heavy slab, mixes well, providing you stay to the mixing requirements stated on the bag. It's just a great product, honestly. It's solid the next day to walk on. We've been walking across this even when we've laid it.
So if I was to say to you, it's definitely a huge advantage over standard sand and cement.
Oh, 100%. Like the standard sand and cement application, this beats it hands down.
Brilliant.
Like hands down.
Brilliant. And cost effective?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Definitely. I mean, with the slurry primer, the bond that achieves is incredible.
Great.
Wet on wet.
So you quite comfortably recommend it to anybody else?
Yeah, recommend it to anyone, and I'll continue to use it on all my outdoor projects. Yeah.
Brilliant. So I'll quickly go through the pieces of equipment that we're going to use today. Obviously we've got the FUGA-PAVE Flex CH Grout. This is a half bag, a little bit tatty, so apologies for that. We've got the mixing paddle, just a small battery operated drill. The squeegee with the replaceable rubber on there. Small bucket trowel, measuring vessel, clean buckets, PPE, mask and gloves, and the two wash buoys. So this is a hand wash buoy, just simple to push around, moved by hand, and the little float squeegee. And then we've got the pedalo system here, which is the more commercial piece of equipment, has the big mop and has the ability to clean large areas quickly and very efficiently.